Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. You all know by now that I really do appreciate you. Thank you for the constant love and support shown to my channel. My oldies, you all are amazing. And to my new viewers, you're welcome to Becky the Mommy's YouTube channel. I would love you to be part of the family by subscribing, okay? And after you subscribe, please do turn on the notification bell so you get notified each time I drop a new video. Now my darlings, you've seen the title of this video, you've seen the thumbnail. It's a collective vlog, okay? But we're going to be starting it with packing. Yes, we are leaving Abuja. Please kindly enjoy this vlog as it comes, okay?
Yes.
Are you ready to go home?
Yes.
Come, let's pack. Oh, you can't wait to go home. Come, let's pack. Come. Bring those ones down first. These ones are dirty clothes. I cannot wash. I'll just pack them separately. Bring those ones down. I can't start washing these things now. Bring them, pack them separately. Put them on the floor. Pack. Because if I pack these things tomorrow, I don't want us to go late to the airport. Okay?
That's right. Mommy, that's right.
Drop it on the floor.
Mommy, this blue on the
floor.
Is this one that's or no?
Which one is that? So guys, I'm almost done packing. I'm almost done. I won't say I'm halfway there. I think I'm almost done. It's just for me to conclude on everything. Where's the remote? Let me reduce the volume. Okay. This thing is making too much noise. Okay. So I'm almost done. So this bag, I'll use it to pack everything, shoes. Okay. The ones we're not wearing, of course, to the airport. I want to wear a very simple slippers. I don't want to wear shoe, I beg. Okay, so in this bag, I packed their clean clothes, the one they didn't use, okay? So here, on this other side are the dirty clothes. Work where I don't pack for myself once I reach home in Port Harcourt. Okay, so this one has a zip, so I'll be zipping this. Yeah, I'll be zipping this, okay? So these are the dirty clothes, and these are shoes they will likely wear to the airport. My handbag, my purse. Like I said, I just want to be sure of how I want to pack these things. Okay, these ones are the Crocs hubby bought for us. So yeah, I'll have to put the Crocs in that bag. That's my own Croc. I love this Croc. I can't wait to rock it. Okay, so that's basically everything. These are the stuffs we'll be wearing to the airport. Yes, this is what I'll be wearing to the airport. Okay, I love shirts a whole lot. You guys know by now already. So I'll be wearing that shirt with this jean. Oh, my sunshade. Okay, and these are what my girls will be wearing to the airport. I just have to keep their cream hair. So once they finish, in fact, once I finish bathing them in the morning, I'll just, that's why I'm not going to be locking these bags yet. So once I'm done bathing them, I'll pack the cream. And what else? Okay, this is not our towel. We didn't use this towel at all. Yeah, so this is a service apartment, but regardless, I'll still have to, at least sweep it and remove the duvets, the bed sheets, and just keep them inside the wardrobe, keep them properly, so that when the cleaners come to clean, everywhere will still look okay and like responsible. Say human beings, they stay here, no be mad people. Okay, yeah, so that's that, my darling. So guys, the next day I planned waking up early, to clean up the whole house before the kids wake up. But to my greatest surprise, I met hubby cleaning. Bucket the other day when I was cleaning, I didn't see it. Thank you, love. You really helped me. Nice for me to Clear this kitchen now.
You guys, when I say my man is a sweet man, oh my goodness, there are a lot of things that he does that just, amazes me sometimes. See how he had made the whole work very easy for me. I had planned to wake up early to start cleaning before the kids wake up, so we won't, be late for our flight. But to my greatest surprise, I came out and he was already up and he had cleaned the sitting room and also mopped the kitchen. So, we actually had the same thing in mind, It's very important you leave a place very neat, even if it is not your home. You treat it like the way you would treat your home. And as a tenant in any place, in any home, so long as you're a tenant in a house, please treat the place like the way you would treat your home. I always have so much respect for people who go as far as doing maintenance, okay? I mean, people who call carpenters to fix the cabinet when the cabinet is bad. I'm saying this because there are some persons that don't take care of the place where they are staying because it is not their house, which is very wrong. Okay, so I have said what I have to say or what I felt like saying. Okay, to whoever would find this helpful. Well, if you don't find it helpful, it's all right. So to continue with the vlog, so my darlings, here I made breakfast for my kids. Very simple breakfast. They had this hot chocolate drink with 2 slices of bread as breakfast before we set out for the airport. Okay, my darlings, please keep enjoying watching this vlog.
Nobody feel be somebody.
You guys, I almost forgot this. So yummy. So yummy.
You guys, the food inside this park is indeed yummy. I mean, even my kids haven't forgotten the taste of the food. Hubby got this food for us the previous night, and we couldn't finish it. So I had to put the remaining ones in the freezer.
Now I am them packaged like this. I'm touching it. What is inside the one? You're happy saying chips. It's yam chips. You think it's one kind of serious? Oh, business now packaging now. Okay. What is here?
So guys, I just had a few of the yam chips and kept the rest in the freezer, and the leftover is what you will see me eating before we left for the airport.
So nice and very spicy too. This microwave, you microwave. No, they won't show any sign of hotness. It's a barbecue chicken. Oh.
Yeah. Bouncing. Yeah.
Very nice. I couldn't even finish it last night.
Kitty bouncing. Yeah.
So guys, after I got done eating that yummy goodness, that sauce is amazing. I would never forget it in a hurry. After I got done, we left for the airport.
Look at her style from the street. Look at her style from the ghetto. This I will never make it big. Me, I could have said, oh no. Look at me, I style from the street. Look at me, I started from the ghetto. They say I will never make it big. Me, I tell them, say, me go to my knees to the Calvary tree. Me, I pray. Me telling God everything me I need. Me, I tell the God, make they bless me still. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Cause if I no get all these people who go laugh at me, all these people go use me play. Make God they bless me and my family. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Aye, nobody fi be somebody, somebody fi be nobody. Never look down or no. Aye, nobody fi be somebody, somebody fi be nobody. Never look down or no.
It has been a pleasure having you aboard this Max Airflight from Abuja. And on behalf of Max Air, Captain Jara, First Officer Kate, and the rest of the flight crew, I'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us today, and we look forward to welcoming you aboard again soon.
Welcome.
Before then, kindly visit our website at maxair.com.ng for your flight bookings, reservations, and recent developments.
Mama, welcome.
Thank you, and do have yourself a pleasant hour journey. Good evening.
Welcome.
Thank you for your cooperation and welcome to Port Harcourt.
They're still sleeping. Wake up. Mama? Baby? Wake up, wake up. See. You're in Port Harcourt? Yes. Was it a long flight?
Why are you crying?
She was crying because of that part.
Oh.
Thank you.
So guys, we landed Port Harcourt safely, and I just can't thank God enough for, a beautiful trip. Johnny Messi's to and fro. Safety while in Abuja. I totally enjoyed our stay. I mean, I enjoyed this family private trip. Just we had a good time. I must say we had a good time in Abuja. I mean, I couldn't film everything. Hobbies, hang out with a few friends. I couldn't really film all of that since he's a very private person. But yeah, we're back home. We are back home. You guys, if you live in Nigeria, you will totally understand my joy. I mean, all the soups I cooked. If you see the video on lot of cooking, I'll drop the link in the description box. You guys will see the bulk cooking I did on the day hubby came back, and we did this trip the following day. Okay, as he came back, we did this trip the following day. So you can imagine all the soups I had bulk cooked, not knowing that we're going to travel. So I was so happy coming back and seeing that there has been light. You guys, I mean, I had to go as far as asking the neighboring shop. There's a shop nearby. I had to ask the lady if of it true there has been light, as in steady light, and she confirmed yes. I mean, see the meat I had bought in bulk in my previous market vlog in Port Harcourt before we traveled. So everything is intact. I mean, if you live in Nigeria, you would know that electricity supply is not stable, okay? But if I'm around, I know how to manage it when there is no light. But being away, I was so scared. But thank God everything is intact. Thank you, my darlings, for watching. See you in my next video.